you guys? It's your girl Minnie, and I back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to the old ones that are subscribed and stayed subscribed. I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, I am doing a Boxycharm that I am overdue, late for it. It was my September Boxycharm, we in October. But I did subscribe back to Boxycharm late of September, so they gave it to me late. And now I have my October one, which I'm excited for, because you know, it's all about the fall and Halloween and all of that jazz. So I know there's orange stuff in there, or like fall stuff in that box. So I cannot wait to dive into that. But we're doing this September 1 first, and I'm loving this look. I feel like, oh my gosh, I feel like all I need is the pigtails right here. Red light, green light. Okay, Tom. But anyway, I like this look. I feel like this is an everyday glam, like I've said multiple times in this video. So if you want to see what was in my Boxycharm, then stay tuned and let's get right into this video. So I'm just gonna go in order of the stock card right here. First thing that's on this list is the Blink Glow Getter face palette, and it says this palette features 4 smooth matte blushes and 4 luminous highlighters in beautiful sophisticated shades. It says in beautiful. Boxycharm, this is my second time reading something from Boxycharm, and it's error. I'm gonna say and. Highlighters and beautiful sophisticated shades that enhance all skin tones for a personalized youthful glow. The formulas are refined to blend effortlessly and last all day, so you can glow and get it. And this retails for $50. Alright, so it has a nice size mirror right here. But these are the shades right here. Alright, so let me swatch the colors for you guys. So we got accomplished, talented, resilient, and ambitious. These are the top 4 shades. I really like accomplished. Talented is a nice nude brown shade. Resilient is a burgundy shade, and this is like your brown shade. Then we have empowered, confident, brilliant, and fearless. They all might look the same on the hands, but they're absolutely not. Brilliant, I would definitely wear. I really like that one. And fearless, I would wear as a highlight. Alright, so the next thing I see is Elena Badro. I think that's how you say her last name. Baby blue set. And it comes in a nice little brown makeup brush set. I don't think I'm going to keep any of my makeup bags, because they pile up and I don't want them. They serve no purpose in my makeup drawers. It says this set masterfully creates a seamless, flawless makeup application. Contour, blend, and define with these 3 limited edition decadent synthetic makeup brushes. Travel or store your brushes in style with a luxury tan pouch. And this is $58. So you have this one. I'm guessing it's the contour one. I did look her up. She's a celebrity makeup artist. Alright, so that's the brush right there. It reminds me of the Doja Cat brush that I just recently got. I really love this baby blue right here. You know, blue is my favorite color, well, royal blue, and I love the white synthetic brush. I like the angle of this brush. It's very softy. And then we have this blending brush right here and an angle brush. Blending brush, and this is the angle brush. If she had like a whole set of this, I would definitely get a whole set of this, because I just love the color of it. Next thing is a Luna Magic Beauty Baba Voom Pink Lash Primer. This says, with just one sweep, this innovative primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize the final results of your favorite mascara. It has a wax formula with a creamy texture and a new innovative emulsifier, which adds volume and extra length. It's easy to apply and long lasting. And this is $25. Let's see this pinkity. Ooh, I like the black matte and the pink. Oh my gosh, this really is pink. Like, what is it? Next thing I see is the St. Lux Beauty Brow Gel. and it says bow down to your brows. This brow gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape. The short brow brush will give you precise placement of your brows, and the lightweight gel has no residue when dry. And this is $22. Nice little black, you know. So the last thing is Real Her. Over time, encapsulated water is released from the lipstick, providing hydration to your lips. Not only is each shade infused with jojoba seed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, and each lipstick also provides all-day hydration with a creamy, smooth application. And this is $18. This is packaging. So that's everything I got. First thing I'm gonna do is put the brow gel on. Luckily, I have brows. Now that it's dried down, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in chocolate and just fill in little areas. I really like how it's looking, very natural, and it looks very full. Going into my P. Louise base, I'm gonna put this on my lid. I just love the way brushes feel on my face. Pause. I'm gonna be using the Eleni Bado blending brush, Talented. I'm gonna go into Talented and put that in the crease. So the payoff on this Glow Getter palette is there, and I like it. So then using the same brush, I'm gonna go into Ambition and put that on the outer crease. Alright, I like this. It's like blending into a burgundy shade. These two colors together, Talented and Ambitious. I'm gonna use Brilliant and just put that all on the rest of the lid and see what it's hitting for. So that's that right there. And I'm just gonna put Empowered in the inner corners. Let me see how that's looking. I don't think that did anything, but I would like to think it did. It kind of brightened up the inner corner more. I'm gonna go into my Roxy Makeup Revolution. I like the angle of the brush. It does what it needs to be done. So I'm not mad at it. Took me a while to get to where I need to be because my eyes want to keep tearing and the Fenty powder wasn't like working with me. Now I'm gonna go into this Viva Pink Lash Primer. So while I let that dry, I'm gonna put on my Aaliyah MAC Lip Liner. Then I'm gonna put on the Real Her moisturizing lipstick in the shade Gold Digger. She give me money when I'm in need. I feel like it makes the lashes very hard, so the mascara is hard to put on. Do I need it? I don't know. Turned my light off because I needed the plug for my phone, so the light is off. But I like this look with this hair. I'm gonna use Resilient for the blush, or should I use Talented? Talented or Gifted? Let's try Resilient. Okay, we can do Resilient. I like it. I need more of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is the Ultra Matte. This is not the one I wanted, but it's the only one they had. I'm gonna let that dry down, and then I'm gonna use Fearless as the highlight. I've done this look before. This is like a everyday type of look if you just want to do a little soft glam. You can definitely use this palette for that. You can use Ambition solely on the lid. You can use Resilient solely on the lid, and even maybe Talented mixed with Ambition solely on the lid, so it can be more of a neutral color with like a pop of gold. This is a versatile palette, like for your face, eyes, and you wouldn't need nothing else if you're just that person that just wants to wear makeup but only wants a simple eye look on the lid. I would get it solely for that, but you know I like colors and stuff, baby. I need more than just that, sis. I like the Real Her lipstick in Gold Digger. Like, it does feel moisturizing. It's not dry. It's not like a matte lipstick where it dries down and it's kind of hard and you gotta put lip gloss on it. No, you don't have to put lip gloss on it. You can leave it just like that. The Vava Pink Luna Magic Lash Primer, it kind of hardened up. It was hard to put on the mascara. Maybe I did it wrong, I don't know, but I'm wearing falsies anyways. So the bottom lashes, I feel like it did volumize it more with the bottom lashes, because I do have longer lashes, but when I put on regular mascara it doesn't look like this, so I see a little bit of a difference. But would I use this all the time? I do not know. Oh, the brushes with this, I wish I would have tried with the cream to see how it worked, but I love the color of this brush. Brush is definitely will help you definitely like get the shape that you want. Brush, it's kind of, I like a little more fluffier brush, so this brush is like good to control it more. Brow gel you can definitely wear without makeup. You can wear it, you can put a little bit of powder just, you know, to fill in the eyebrow. You can just wear this on its own and have your eyebrows will look nice. I would definitely wear that without makeup with my lashes, and so it can be more of a natural look instead of trying to conceal it and blend in the concealer with my natural face. No, I'm gonna see how it looks without everything in makeup. I'm gonna probably do that in the next video, like a little short clip, and see how that's giving. So in overall, I do like this Boxycharm. This Boxycharm like introduced me to different items that I've never heard before, and this is why I like to subscribe to Boxycharm. For the price, you're only paying $27 a month, and each product is well over $27. So let me just highlight real quick. I just knew it was gonna hit. Sometimes I be feeling like my contour and highlight and brush be too much. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below if it's too much. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and until next time, peace.